Am I going to be feeling the Juke love after I do the 0 to 60 acceleration run in the 2012 Nissan Juke? That is the question. 177 pound-feet of torque. Good. 188 horsepower. Even better. 1.6 liter direct injected turbocharged engine. Even better. CVT transmission. Ugh. But let's see how fast it'll do 60 at 1 mile above sea level. By now you should know that at TFL Car we do real world testing. No skinny guy driving a car with no gas in it to get the fastest possible time. We test them the way that you drive them. So here we go. I got it in sport mode, 0 to 60 in the Juke. Oh, turbo, come on, kick in, baby. The solo is measuring. There goes 50, and here comes 60 right there. Oh, guess what? Do you think I made it under 10 seconds? No, 10.49. It is what it is. Here's the crazy part. The CVT sounds like a regular transmission. None of that typical CVT drone. Which is cool, but at the end of the day, 10 seconds to 60 may sound cool, not so fast. As always, this is Roman reporting for the Fast Lane Car. See you next time. Woohoo! Now that is Juke love.